In this next session, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a text box in a document. And let's say we want to insert a text box. You go under the Insert tab, and then you go under Text Box. Now here you have different types of designs that you could pick from. So let's say I like this kind of design here. Notice it has a cool design there. All you have to do is just put some text here. And there you have your text box. If you wanted to change it or make adjustments to it, again, remember the concept is that you can double click on it and click on the various tools related to this particular object, and of course using options within this. Remember, you can always resize it and move it wherever you need to move it.